Alright guys, this is Pub Street. This is late night. Woo! We're going somewhere. I do not know where. We are going somewhere. This place is always happening. Anytime, day or night. Pub Street in Siem Reap is happening. Ooh, fried ice cream rolls. Delicious. Body massage, foot massage, hand massage, head massage, neck, shoulder, back, foot, facial, manicure, pedicure. You can find it all down here. I don't know where we're going.
Hello.
I don't know where.
Remember me?
They remember you.
I am crazy woman from Australian.
From Thailand.
Thailand woman.
Thailand woman.
I'm
Australian
crazy.
man.
Woman from Australia.
Whoa,
what happened?
A Thai-Australian. A Thai-Australian couple. A Thai-Australian. Yeah, yes. See, now you're a couple just because I said that on YouTube. Oh, ah. Oh, running water. Let's. Yes. I don't know where we're going. But we are going. I guess that's the important thing. Just keep going. And try not to get hit by traffic. That's the only advice I can give you. Got an Indian kitchen over there. You got the mini mart over there. You got some pizza over there. Anything you want. Well, anything you want except for a cure for cancer and world peace. But if you want food, if you want to watch, or anything else, you can get all that. This is Pub Street at night. Ooh. Don't know what that is. Smells amazing. Smells amazing.
Hey, baby, what's your name? Donna. where you going? Donna.
Oh, we're going to...
Oh, I've been there one time.
Eiffel time. Eiffel time.
Is it Eiffel time? It's Eiffel time.
It must be Eiffel time because I guess that's where we're going.
One time.
Who knew it was Eiffel time?
Come on.
Is that even a thing?
My whole life, like...
I'm worried about shower time, and they're worried about Eiffel time. Yeah.
Are you
It's like-
shower time?
It's like, when do you shower?
You shower time here?
You shower in the morning.
You shower time here?
No, hell.
No,
You
you
shower time
Keep
here?
this family.
you shower in the morning to get clean,
Yeah.
but then you walk and you
There's no
have to
golden
shower
showers in
again
here.
to get clean again.
You really shower time?
You have to shower 3 times.
Oh, no.
Oh, there was some passionate stuff going on there, folks. Here's what I know right now. I am following people and I have to pee really bad. That's all I know. I also want another beer. We'll see how this goes. Talk to you guys later. All right, guys, this is Sunday. Sunday. Some people might say Sunday fun day. But all I remember from last night is there was me, my buddy Rod, a couple lovely ladies, 3 bars, and from what my head is telling me right now, probably about 100 beers. And there was some spicy squid involved, which was very good, by the way. It really went good with the beers, I remember that. And that's about all I remember. But we woke up safe and sound. Nobody died. It was a good day. So I don't know about the fun day part, but it is Sunday. I just had my first iced coffee, so I'm feeling a little better. And now I'm just on a quest for food. Ew, nice tree, look at this. Yeah. Pretty cool, huh? Just hanging over here. Oh, I love this. Shady. Nice big trees. Wow. Look at that. It's pretty awesome. I see an alley down there. Definitely food or, oh, it looks like I found something. We're down here where there is lots of restaurants. Now I just need to find one that'll sell me something with some animal parts, noodles, and a nice fatty, delicious broth. Those are my nutritional requirements right now. And the best place to find that, believe it or not, is not in a place where you would sit down and have a waiter take your order. It's at a place where it's a place on wheels. They park on the street. Then you can sit on a bench or a little chair. I think I have found my paradise. Look at all that. Yeah. I'm gonna check this out. Talk to you guys later. All right. Well, I made my stomach happy. Found a street stall. I had some they're called fried short noodles. I had some kind of sauce, some vegetables, and a nice fried egg on top for $1. And it was delicious. The noodles themselves kind of look like little worms if you look at them. By the way, if you click down below on the link I post most of the pictures of my food and stuff on Facebook and Instagram. The links are down below. Feel free to click on them. But yeah, if you just looked at that bowl of noodles, you would think they look like little tiny worms, but I can verify they were in fact noodles, just short, stubby ones. But it was very nice. I am working on my second iced cappuccino, and as you can see, it's almost gone. Panic is starting to set in. Just kidding about the panic part. I actually need water more than anything. Just walking back from downtown. As you can see, I don't know if you can see on here, but got a nice sweat going on. Which is always nice. Get all that evil alcohol out of my system. So I can make room for more later. Not today though. Today is all about hydrating and eating. I had a weather alert on my phone earlier saying that there was some lightning likely for Siem Reap later. And when I first woke up, the sky was a little bit cloudy. Looked possible for a storm, but you see now there's still clouds. But the sun's out. And I don't see anything that looks too threatening, so that shouldn't be a problem. This place has 1, 2, 3 spirit houses. They must really need the good luck. They said forget just regular good luck, we want triple the good luck. Of course their parking lot's empty, so I don't know if that did any good, but certainly can't hurt. Yes, just a couple blocks from home. Nothing planned for today. I'm gonna go inside and lay down in my bed in front of the nice cool fan. Get rid of some of the sweat. I'm gonna hop and take a nice cold shower. And then I'll probably be uploading this video. And that's really all my plans. I didn't think that far ahead to actually think about what I wanted to do today. There's the river over there. If you notice in most of my videos, you're going to see some kind of river shot. It's because I live in a part of town right by the river. And most of the places I go are by the river. And since it basically runs through the entire town, yeah, you're going to see that a lot. But I like walking down by the river. It's peaceful. You can sit in a nice shady spot and just chill. People watch, or watch traffic, whatever you prefer. Wow. Try not to fall in the grate. So I think that's basically my Sunday. Yeah, I know it's not much of a video. Nothing too interesting. But then again, you have to realize if, you know, no matter where you live, what country or what side of the world, you're just gonna have days where it's just your average, everyday stuff. Like I get coffee, get something to eat, go for a little walk, and then just go back home and chill out for the rest of the day until it's time to eat again. All right, I'll end this here, and I will talk to you guys later.